right now the system's not fair? Because the reality is when a human recruiter decides to review applications, they appear to them in, as you mentioned, chronological order. And once they've gotten through enough and then reached out to enough of those applicants to say you've got an interview, they don't look at the rest. And so that's obviously unfair on the people who didn't get seen. It's also unfair because if I'm let's say the manager of that recruiter, I don't have a window into that recruiter's thought process. So they can tell me they didn't exhibit any bias in how they reviewed applications. And I, of course, will take them at their word. But the great thing about using AI for these types of tasks is you can literally audit the reasoning trail and understand why are certain applicants getting through and why are they not. Now, does that mean that you'll never see any example of bias in that reasoning trail? No, there's probably be a period where we do see some examples where like, actually, that's not the way I would want this to make that decision, or that's not our policy to make a decision like this. But at least you can see it and you can change it. I think once people start to sort of internalize the value of having like really an audit trail on artificial intelligence's reasoning, the bias conversation will totally flip on its head and be like, why are you just artisanally going through these applications and just deciding in your head and we've got no idea how you made, like you can easily imagine that world. And I think that world will come.